Hey everybody, Hunter with Injected Motorsports. We are previewing the new Screamin Diesel Performance cold air intakes for the Lbz and Lmmm Duramax trucks. Just kind of go through a quick little install with you guys. I'll crawl in here. So pretty much you just take off the factory horn down here. Make sure that band clamp right here stays nice and snug. I usually put that one on first. There's a tab here in the back, as you can see right there. The yellow tab underneath, it'll actually go underneath that bracket for the hose. Make sure it goes underneath of it. That way it does not try to pop up. 10mm nuts on the clamps. Sensor there. SDP intakes come with them. Also I get the filter rep, especially here in Texas being so dusty. There is a trick I'll show you. I'll take a picture for it also. That bracket down there, that's where it'll mount to. You can see the red line, so I marked it. That is an actual bracket. Some of these trucks have them, some don't. Especially, it's mainly on the LBZs. You'll take that little bracket off. There's 3 nuts. Those 2 there you'll see. Let's see another one here. Take those loose, and then there's that bracket down there that holds your oil dipstick right there. There's that back side. You can see that tab. It's underneath. It also comes with the crankcase vent, the caps here. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple install. Just do those things. If you don't have that bracket, then you don't have to do that step. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you.